Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is my first ever recreation video and I'm going to do Sonam Kapoor Khan 2019 inspired hairstyle. I have used very minimal products for this hairstyle without using any kind of heating or styling tools like that. I hope this tutorial will help the people who have weddings or functions in the upcoming season. So please keep on watching. These are the things which are required to create this hairstyle. So first let's start with brushing the hair thoroughly to remove all the knots and tangles. By the way, this is my friend Bineshia who also have a YouTube channel called Femirelle. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can go and check her channel out. So coming to the partition, Sonam has gone for a center partition, but here I'm gonna take a zigzag partition just to add more look and detail to the hairstyle. You can opt for any partition of your wish. So this is how the partition looks from front. Now I'm going to take ear to ear partition, which need not to be straight, as anyways it will be covered up with the hair later. So if you want to add more volume at the crown area, just take the hair in small sections and backcomb it so that it will give more volume to your hair. Now take the 3/4 of the hair from the crown and brush it very smoothly to avoid flyovers, as we are not going to use any kind of sprays or wax like that. So it's really important to brush the hair thoroughly and tie it into a ponytail. After tying it into a ponytail, just push the hair a little bit up for that clear added volume and just secure it with the help of bobby pins. I'm securing the bobby pins in crisscross method. Decide how much hair you want to fall onto your face and take the remaining hair, twist it and tie it into a ponytail. Make sure you are comfortable with the amount of hair falling on your face. So I'm leaving little bit hair on both sides of the face and now taking it, twisting it and tying it into a ponytail. I just flipped the ponytail to make sure it stays low. Now take small section of hair from both the sides, like how you take for the normal 3-strand braid. The section should be like that, and brush the hair thoroughly to avoid the flyovers and tie it into a ponytail. Here I am pulling the hair a little bit for more volume, and this process you have to repeat till you reach the end of your hair. Isn't it so simple? So this is how the hair looks without any accessories. Now I'm gonna remove the bobby pins which we used earlier and cut the hair tie and comb the hair neatly to make it look more neat and replicate Sonam's hairstyle exactly. So now I'm gonna add fake flowers which I have with me at home, but you can add even fresh flowers, that is completely optional. But you have to arrange the flowers in such a manner that you have to cover all the hairs which we used for this hairstyle. So this is the final output. I tried my best not to use any kind of styling or heating tools for this hairstyle, but if you want a crisp and neat look, you should definitely use those products. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.